Here you've got ZTE Nubia Z9 Max, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. First of all, we have to open the settings. Right here. Now find and select other system settings and click on language and input. And select the first tab, which is for language. If you would like to change the language, just pick the preferred option. So let me choose, for example, Portuguese. And that's it. As you can see, it has been already changed. You can smoothly go back. And now the whole device is in Portuguese. So you can smoothly use it this way. Then whenever you would like to change language again, you just go to the settings, pick other system settings. Actually, it should be renamed. Okay, so they are still the same, some of them. Then go to languages and input. And now select languages. And here just pick the one that you would like to apply. So I will pick English UK. And that's it. So as you can see, I am back in English, so the changing of the language is pretty quick and easy. So enjoy, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.